Major Arcanas and one code card represents some news in money you may get. Maybe something is in your favor, it will work for you. So this week will be a great week for you. Maybe whatever you output efforts for the work, definitely you'll see the results in that. Can you hear me? I'm good, Hamir. Thank you for asking. I think you heard your energy reading message, right? Yeah, maybe you will get a way to come out of stuck energy. A good news in money or in anything in your personal life. Maybe it will be benefit for you in your career. Okay. Yeah, just come out of that. Okay, this is the message that come out of the stuck energy. You have another direction, you have a plan of another direction. Maybe that direction will help you. Whatever you decided right now, maybe take that direction. Come out of Dubai. I already did a reading before for you. I feel Dubai, you can't do anything there. You have to come out of Dubai. Okay, so this is the plan where you will get successful. If you come out of Dubai, you will see a way. Yogita Rana, give me your date of birth. Nicole Kinney, hi. Yogita Rana, give me your date of birth. Nicole, please have a share tag. Yogita, are you waiting for some news regarding education or regarding some future career something? I see even giving and taking here with somebody. Maybe it's exchange of education or it might be exchange of money. Everybody will get a chance. Please have a share tag. I just need an immediate reply, Yogita Rana. Yogita Rana, I did not get your reply. Yogita Rana, I see you'll get money back. Okay, definitely you'll get money back. It might take 6 days or 6 weeks. Okay, so next, can I see who is next? I'm just doing energy reading. So please guys, I have a sharer tag. If you're new to my live session, you need to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also you'll get the notification for the zodiac signs reading, for weekly and monthly and collective reading. Bonus reading also will be uploaded there. So this is the link. So keep on posting. We'll pick up on the energy. If you get the chance, we'll do a connection reading for you. For Preksha Jain, hello. Pooja De, welcome. Welcome Yogita. Please do like the live session guys. Share as much as you can. Let people get some help from my side. Reena, love life reading. I am single. So Reena, this is for you dear. Let me connect through your energies. Reena, I see maybe did you have a past love life? I see third party issues. I see little bit of maybe you ignored somebody. Is that true? Yes. So they cheated, or maybe they interacted with third party. Maybe there was third person in your relationship. Is that true? Okay. He is with somebody else, okay? He is with somebody else, Reena. See, he is with somebody else, and be careful if the man comes back to you. Please don't accept. You'll have to move on from this man, okay? Next one, Pooja De. Pooja De, next life reading, it goes a private reading, and this life only we are like no one to predict, but somehow many people as a born gifted. Myself, I feel I can only predict one life. This is really true fact, and nobody can predict your next life. So if you want that same man in your next life, you have to ask somebody very much better, because I just don't want to misguide people here. Sakshi Jetli, any big happy changes in life? Big happy changes, okay. Welcome Pooja. So let me see for next Sakshi Jetli, are you here? I don't know, maybe am I audible? Guys who all are posting the messages, I can read, but too many at once. But if I can't reply you, please do wait for your chance. If you can't wait, you can donate for the energy reading, but donated readings get more information than normal the clients here. Archana Gupta, welcome. I have a share tag. Sakshi, any big happy changes in life? Sakshi, let me connect to your energy. Sakshi, are you ignoring somebody offering you something, and are you ignoring, or are you unable to sense that or feel that or see that? So is she here? Can she hear me? Please do reply. Maybe you didn't know. No, I think the information not yet come out. Maybe you still not yet noticed. So there is some offer coming to you. I think you're not ignoring, you even don't know about it, you're not aware of it. Maybe you'll get to know some information, some communication, or some news coming in your way. I can't tell it is a good news, but for the long term finance it might be beneficial for you. It's showing me about your currency for future, the news related to your currency for the future. Okay, so who is next? Whoever has a share tag, Nilima, can you subscribe the YouTube channel, dear? You will get more information there. Amy Hilton, welcome. Nicole Kinney, welcome. Thank you. Okay, let me lower the sound. Can you people hear me now? Sakshi Jetli, it's just a energy reading. I just connect your energy, and whatever I gave you, only so much for today I can give. It is just my spirit guides will connect and let you know the information you need to know. Nilima, thank for telling me, because I was not aware of it. Can you hear me now? Is there a problem? Thank you. In hand out. Okay, let me see. Can you hear me now? Okay, let me take the next question. Yes, little problem. Yes. Thank you for subscribing. New subscribers will get little more information. Just type new subscriber and with your question. I will give you energy reading plus the answer for your question. Namaste. I like this tattoo. Thank you. So Smita, my husband Jitendra Chaudhary, business and financial reading for future. Smita. Nilima, no dear, I'm not from Kerala. My husband Jitendra Chaudhary, business and financial. Smita Chaudhary, I can only connect to your energies and future reading. When you're asking about finance, definitely you need to take a private booking for that. I can't give complete details here with one or two cards or with energy reading. I have to even answer everybody else here. You need a slot for booking for a private reading. You can take 40 minutes and 30 minutes schedule with healing and guidance with time frames and channeling messages. So let me check for your husband, okay? Smita Chaudhary. Please keep on posting your question, guys. I just missed Smita. Business and financial reading for future. Smita Chaudhary. Smita, I see something about loss here. Did your husband lose any money recently within 8 months? Or maybe you're struggling for money from 8 months? Please answer, guys. If Smita, please do answer. Money stuck. Okay. Dear, I see there is no hope for your husband. Is that right? There is no hope. There is little bit of confusion around in his head. Maybe the direction or the right now the path is almost continued so long he can't disconnect. He's thinking on that also. Maybe I see it. It might delay dear. The vendor, whatever the person, he is also lost. He whatever. Your husband paid for him for the work. Maybe he did not get any benefit from that job or from that business. So he is disconnected. So I don't know how your husband will get the money back now. Maybe within 6 months, maybe you can contact him and you can take your money back. I think this will result safety. It's just a safety. Tell him to take back the money or disconnect. Now it's a hard time. Another 6 months it's hard time. After that you can have a money. Okay. So anybody else want private reading from me can message me directly. I'll be available. There is talkpsychic.com website. I am available there also. And there is another app. It has been launching. So I'll be there also. I'll reveal the name in the post soon. It's just I'm just waiting for the app to be launched. It's yet processing in a back end. Preksha Jain, will Jason give me content writing work in future? Further, Jason give me content writing work. Yes, dear. I see. Yes. Okay. So Nicole, relationship and future for Nicole. Future I can't do. Let me connect your relationship, Nicole. Nicole, I think, are you in a relationship, Nicole? I see happy here. I see you smiling here. Maybe you're too much involved with your friends or with your partner. I see clothes moving here, drinking together, or addiction also there. I see partying hard or lot of attention here. Yes, I see everything is good here, Nicole, in your relationship. 3 of Cups with 6 of Swords. I see you may be planning to travel, you and your partner, maybe weekends traveling, or maybe city traveling, or it might be even a place to place traveling. Both are very much attached, very much. I see a very good relationship here with lot of understanding or lot of treating well is going on. Okay, maybe she might even be more close to you, more addicted towards you. I see everything for the long term here with your partner. So this is for you, Nicole. Okay, so who is next? Can anybody can everybody hear me? I just don't know why it's disconnecting. Is it so? Can you hear me now? Thank you guys. Nilima Atul Gupta, a new subscriber. Atul Gupta, please post your question. Nilima, post your question. Nilima is searching for a job and she need a guidance from me. Okay, so let me check for Nilima. What will my spirits give you? What's going on with Nilima? Will she get job? Nilima, have you tried any job last week? Like, did you attend any interviews in few 1-2 weeks? Yes, I'm saying, did you have the expectation more from them, or how it is? Just disconnected. Yeah, calls. Yes, dear. See, I feel something you may get. Whatever calls you got last 2 weeks, just go through again and please keep a update of that, or call them back and just go for an interview. I see you'll get a job from there only. You have to attend the interview, dear. Don't ask in phone. I will see. I'm seeing like you won't get a job. You'll have to not talk in phone. You'll have to go face to face. You may get a job. Okay. Don't last 2 weeks get just take a updates from them. Just go back to the numbers or call them and talk to them and schedule your interview. Okay. So next, Atul Gupta, please post your question. So guys, I am a clairvoyant energy reader, empath medium. So it's a born gifted to me from past 10 years. I'm into this. So you can find me in toppsychics.com also. You can find me in other Guruji's apps also. The international website is toppsychic.com, and the Oranam was part of my job also, but I disconnected from there because of there were too much of rules and regulations, so could not be there always. So I wanted time. So Archana Gupta, please have a share a tag dear. Even a Kaylee Moody, welcome dear, I see you're new here. Relationship reading, if you want you'll have to share and subscribe the YouTube channel which I have pinned. Atul Gupta, have a share a tag. So who does have a share a tag, we'll give them a reading now. You'll have to subscribe also. Atul Gupta, please do subscribe the YouTube channel. I'll get the notification if you subscribe, and people who doesn't subscribe and tells that you subscribed, I'll see here. Once I see here only, I'll take your questions. Archana Gupta, you have to share more. Varsha Chauhan, post it in English. Guys, post in English, will definitely take everybody's question. Please do follow the pinned comment, guys. People who are waiting from long time can keep on posting. We'll take your question. Anybody wants a private reading can message me directly. And Archana Gupta, you're unable to share, dear. I don't know why. You're not successful in having a share tag. So you can see everybody else have a share tag and you doesn't have. Even you can see that, and even it's visible to me also. Kaylee Moody, even you have a share tag, you'll get a chance of asking a question. So people who have share tag is Varsha Chauhan. Abhijit feelings for me. Varsha Chauhan, please subscribe the YouTube channel. I don't see you subscribing. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Cards, and need to see for Abhijit. Did you fight, Varsha? Do you both have a conflict recently? Hi Ritu Gupta. Varsha, did you have a conflict? Okay, Varsha is not answering. Let me move on. Ritu Gupta, have a Shira talk. Neetu Shah, what is coming towards me? What is coming towards me? Neetu Shah, Nitusha, what is coming towards you? Let me tell. Maybe whatever you have created in your life until now, the foundation and maybe cementing or whatever, how you construct the building, the same level you have pampered your life and brought up till now. And with the hard times, you have struggled, you have walked on the rough rocks. Maybe everything will come to you, not now, maybe for your future. I see little bit a very good future and very good settling for you in finance. And I see maybe in your marriage also for long term it will be great for you. I don't see any issues here with money struggles. Maybe it might help you for the long term. Whatever you have earned now, it might be even respect, it might be how you interact with people around you. If you are a married person in your family, maybe you are the most pampered one, or you are the most attracted one, or something like that, I feel. But for the long term you have created too much, so you have to just wait and see what's coming for you. I see abundance is coming for you for the long run. Immediately, if you are unmarried, definitely I see a career for you. If you are married, I see a great finance for you, like abundance for the long term. And definitely I see you may be very happy with the man with you, or the family abundance. They're very much settled. I see a rich man will get married to you, or maybe everything is just too much of their grandfathers made money, lot of money, huge money, which they are balancing for future for the rest of their life, something like this. I see for you. Okay. I see a man is coming for you for the long term. Okay, Neetu. Thank you. Amir Iqbal, you can donate. I have done your reading. You can donate for the second one. I'll just post how to donate. You can donate in these links. Use those links for donation. So let me stop now. Now I'll just stop. If anybody wants a private reading, can message me directly. So if anybody wants to ask one question or two question, can donate and ask. So I will just stop the free readings now, because I can't always do free readings, so people know that how it goes. It's just for the few people who were requesting me to do free reading, so I thought of doing today. Okay, if anybody wants to pay for a question, we'll give you answer with the time frame. The PayPal works for you, Amir Iqbal? I think so, because I have many clients from Australia, UK, US. Moreover, all over the world, I get from Mauritius also, and from Canada, and as well as Malaysia, Singapore. There are so many countries, but I get from UK, US, Australia more, and Dubai. I think they use PayPal or they bank transfer me. So it's for a depth reading. If you want, you can just have some account with you. If you want a depth reading, if you want one or two question, you can donate from the Google Pay if you have, or the PayPal. I have only two options here. Putting lot of effort to answer everybody. So now I just need little bit of rest. So let me see if anybody wants a donated reading, can message me directly, or can book your slots for 30 minutes and 40 minutes for a depth reading. I'll just need your photo and date of birth, but I'll give you all the details. Don't need to give anything, because I work with spirits. I do channeling messages. I interact with energies only. So you don't need to tell me anything, because I can find out what you're going through. I can even feel and sense your pain. So I'm a clairvoyant, energy reader, empath, medium. So this is how we do. Ritu, you can just donate for the question, Ritu. Even you have to donate for the question from now. So I don't know how you manage to come out of that Amir Iqbal. You have to come out of that. That is what I'm just feeling right now. So Lavanya Gupta, I see your date of birth here. So if you want a reading, dear, you can message me directly. You can book your slot for the private reading. It's just 30 and 40 minutes reading you can schedule. But free readings are closed. Archana Gupta, you can message me directly, dear. Will give you my phone number, because through message I can't type. It is like a bunch of things which can't be written. So people who want can call me. Can message me first. Will give you the phone number. Only serious people. Okay, and. Can't you share it to me right now? Lavanya Gupta, I don't understand. We'll get complete picture when you talk to me. It's not in written. So when you interact, you may feel a little bit satisfied, because that is how I do reading. I just don't answer with the typing, because that is all like misguiding, or it might just delay your time also waste, my time also waste. So it's just on call. We finish the reading also in video call or audio call. Sureka Prabha, whatever you're researching, I have no connection yet with you. I have to just connect with your energies for that. Now I have stopped doing reading. So I'm only taking a private readings. If anybody wants to schedule their readings for today, rest of the day, or for the tomorrow, can message me directly. I will give you the phone number. If you want a reading from me, you can call me and interact to me directly, because there won't be any mid people here. It's just me and you. We conversate, and if you feel comfortable and satisfied, you can book your slot. Sureka Prabha, message me. Okay, message me to the same profile, Facebook Messenger. Will reply you there. You can call me through Facebook also. You can call me, guys. You can call me only serious people. Please don't spam. Aarti Chegi, health readings, private reading. So Aarti Chegi, if you want a private reading with me, you can message me directly. Sureka, you can message me, okay? Because you can see me in the messenger also, Shri Tarot, and you can send me the message. You can call me there only if you want. Once we'll talk there, then we'll give you the personal information, okay? Aarti Jaggi, for your mother health, I need her photo and date of birth. I need her photo and date of birth. You need to message me in private. It's only a private reading. Sureka Prabha, do you want a reading now, dear? It will be 30 and 40 minutes private reading. And you see me very expensive in website in toppsychic.com.
Battery low.
It will be a very expensive reading for you, but it directly I'm not charging so much because there are different types of currencies in other countries and yours. So I'm just trying to help everybody as much as I can. Yes, Sureka, you message me today. We'll call you tomorrow. Okay, you call me tomorrow otherwise. After 10 o'clock. After 10 morning, you can call me. If you're working, definitely when you're free, you can talk to me. Make a time and talk, because you have to be in a alone place and you have to call me. Okay, that is how I do reading. You have to sit alone and take channeling messages from me. Dolly Rani, hi, welcome. Everybody is welcome to message me directly if you're serious to have a reading with me. Aarti Jaggi, health readings will be charged. I can't do freely, dear. And moreover, free readings are also closed. I'm just trying to wind up the live session. If you want a paid reading, definitely you can contact me directly. Aarti, do one thing, message me directly. Do your payment. I am ready to do her reading now immediately for you, because you're asking about health. If you don't have her photo, it's okay. I need her full name, I need her date of birth. But one thing is, if you want to pay and just have immediately a reading, I am ready, because health reading, future reading will be always charged. I'm not doing it for free. Message me directly from your profile, dear. You can find me as Shri Tarot. I think you people know where I go live, the same profile. You can even have the advantage after taking 30 minutes schedule. You can ask about your husband, your family members, your future. You can ask so many questions there. It's not only health reading. I can do different readings, third party readings also for you. It's just you need to be specific with your questions. So how soon you ask, so soon I finish it. That's all. Nicole, if you want a reading, Nicole, you can private me. I'm taking only a paid readings now. I have done the readings for 1 hour, so I'm just waiting for the donation. If anybody donates, we'll go private with them. Trisha Gupta, welcome. I'm just winding up. If you want a private reading, you can message me dear for the private reading, because I'm just taking a donated readings now. The free readings from past 1 hour I finished.